video we are going to solve the assignment that is 4.3. Okay, so before watching this video you have to watch the previous video, in which video I have discussed about the topic that is about coefficient, literal coefficient, numerical coefficient, and about the constant term, like terms, unlike terms, and how can you find the degree of polynomial, and how can you find the value of any algebraic expression when the value of variables are given. We have already learned that, and I have discussed all about this topic in one video. So before watching this video, before complete this assignment, you have to watch that video, and when you will understand all the topics, then you will start to watch this video and complete this assignment. Okay, first questions are MCQ question. The degree of the expression. You have already learned how can you find the degree of any algebraic expression. This is the expression minus 7pq q to the power 4. First of all, you have to find the powers of each terms of this expression. The power of the expression, this, how can you find the power? You have to add the power of all literal coefficient. Literal coefficient or variable. P and Q here the variables. So the power of P is 3 and the power of Q is 4. So you have to add these two values. 3 plus 4 is 7. Next one. The power of the expression P square Q to the power 6. Now you have to add these two numbers. 2 and 6. That is 8. The power of the expression 2p to the power 5q. 5 plus 1, that is 6. So the highest power is 8. So the highest power will be the degree. The degree will be 8. Next one. This will be the correct option. Next, x equal to minus 2 and y equal to 3. The value of 3x plus 2y. Here, this is an algebraic expression, and in this expression, the value of the variables are given. You have to find the value of this expression. 3x plus 2y. Here the value of this variable x is minus 2. The value of this variable y is 3. You have to, first of all, you have to put in the value of each variables. 3x, that is 3 multiplied x. 3 multiplied x. X, the value of x is minus 2. Next, 2 multiplied by 3. You can find that we can convert this algebraic expression in the arithmetical expression. Now we have to find the value of this arithmetical expression. 3 multiplied by minus 2, that is gives 3 to the 6. And the sign will be plus and minus and minus. Next, 2 3 is 6. Minus 6 plus 6, that will be 0. The answer will be 0. Next, which of the following is applicable for unlike terms? Which of the following is applicable for unlike terms? Unlike terms এর জন্য কোন স্টেটমেন্টের ট্রু হবে? Unlike terms can be added together to give a single term. But we know that like terms can be added, but unlike terms cannot be added. Unlike terms can be subtracted to give a single term. This is not true. Both A and B, this is not true. None of this. This will be the correct option. Next, write the coefficient of x in each of the following. You have learned how can you find the coefficient. The coefficient of x in this term will be 3. The coefficient of coefficient of x will be 5y square, which is multiplied with any term as multiplication, or the factor of any terms which can be multiplied with that. That will be the coefficient of any term. এখানে x এর সঙ্গে multiplicand হিসাবে আছে 5y square. So that will be the coefficient of x. Okay. Next, question number 3. Write the numerical coefficient of each term of the following algebraic expression. Can you tell me what is the numerical coefficient? Numerical coefficient means which factor is arithmetic number, and which can be written at first of that term. That will be the numerical coefficient. So in this expression you have to write the numerical coefficient. The numerical coefficient of this expression are, in this term, the numerical coefficient is minus 2. Next, In this term, the numerical coefficient is 7. In this term, the numerical coefficient is -6. And this is a constant term and this is an arithmetic number. So, this will be. So, these are the numerical coefficient. Okay. Next question number 4. Identify the like terms. So, what is called like terms? The like terms are the terms having the same literal factors. Literal factors means variables or any alphabet. So, in any algebraic expression, which terms have same literal factors, that are the like terms. X square, 2y square, 2x square, z square. In these terms, this is the literal factor x square, literal factor y square, x square, z square. Identify the like terms in each of the following. Here the like terms are x square, 2x square. These are the like terms. In this expression, the like terms, this is xy, the literal factor is xy, the literal factor yz, x, yz by 2. So, this is yz and this is also yz. So, the like term yz and yz by 2. In this case, the like term x square y, x square z. This is not like yx square, that is also x square y, x y square. So, the like term minus 2x square y and minus yx square. This will be the like terms in these terms. Next. Question number 5. Write the degree of the following algebraic expression. You have already learned how can you find the degree of any algebraic expression. Here 3 terms are given. You have to find the powers of each term. The powers of the expression, the powers of the terms x square y, that is 2 plus 1. This will be 3. There is no power, that is 1 is here. Next. The power of the expression x square y square, that will be 2 plus 2, that is equal to 4. The power of the expression xy, that is equal to 1 plus 1, that is equal to 2. So, the highest power is 4. So, the degree will be 4. Okay. Next, question number 4. This is just like the same question. First of all, you have to find the powers of each term and which power will be the highest, that will be the degree. So, I am not solving this question. Okay. Next, question number 6. Here the variables are given. The value of the variables are given. You have to find the value of this algebraic expression. Question number 6. The value of x is 1. The value of y is 2. X square, the value of x is 1, so this will be 1 square multiplied by y. The value of y is 2, that will be 2. So 1 square means 1. 1 multiplied by 1 gives 1 multiplied by 2, that is 2. Next, question number 7. Here the value of the variables x, y, z, a, b, all these are the values are given. You have to find the value of this expression. 2x square plus x square minus y square. The value of a is 2. 2 multiplied by 2a square. The value of x is 2. This will be 2 square. The value of y is minus 3. So, this will be minus 3 square. 2 multiplied by 2 square, that is 2 multiplied by 4 plus 2 square, that is 4 minus square. Minus power even number takle tar value positive ho jaye. You know this in your powers chapter, that is chapter number 3. You have learned this well. So minus power even number, that will this will be positive. 3 square, this will be 9. 2 4s are 8 plus 4 minus 9. This will be 8 plus 4 12. 12 minus 9, this will be 3. This will be the answer. Okay, I hope all of you can understand well. How can, from question number 7, some questions are given. You have to solve this step by step by yourself, because you have learnt in this type of calculation in your previous chapter, that is powers chapter. So, I hope all of you can understand well how can you solve the maths from assignment 4.3. But I am telling you again that before solving this assignment, you have to watch the previous video and try to understand all the concept. If you can understand the concept, then you will start to complete this assignment. Okay. So, this is all about for this class. If you have any queries in this class, you can ask me.